Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Taimoor Hassan and I am student of COMSATS University Islamabad WA campus from Department of Electrical Engineering. Our final year project is dual axis sunlight tracking and reflection for lawn photosynthesis. My group members are Abdul, Rafeh, Afzaal, Ahmed, Hanzala, Zaman. Our project is supervised by engineer Khalid, Ibrahim. The objectives of our project are tracking of sun, reflect sunlight on our target, develop a prototype which tracks sunlight and reflects it on target by moving in dual axis direction. The brief overview of our project is, in homes mostly people have lawns or gardens. Sometimes sunlight is the main issue that it cannot reach in the areas where needed. So to solve this problem we have made a prototype that tracks sunlight and reflects it on target point by moving in dual axis direction. We can provide the sunlight in the areas where light is not reachable through these mirrors. The methodology of our project is, first of all, sensors that we use will track the direction of the sun and the motors will rotate accordingly and mirrors will be able to move. The code that we implemented by using Arduino IDE software will have some delay according to the direction of the sun, so that the target where we want sunlight will not damage the grass etc. in the lawn due to excessive heat of reflected sunlight at a single point for a certain time. When the sun will set, the mirrors will move back automatically to their initial starting direction. The socio-economic benefits of our project are summarized as following. Mostly the light cannot reach in the indoor areas like in the houses which are surrounded by buildings or where there are big lawns and plants etc. in them, or the buildings that are underground which need sunlight. So with the help of our project we can focus the light on the areas where sunlight is not available or where sunlight is less. It can be used in agriculture industry for providing sunlight to the areas like nurseries etc. that are underground or where sunlight is required but cannot reach. It can be used in power industry to heat boilers in power plant stations, which can reduce fuel costs and pollution due to burning of fuels. It can be used to charge solar panels which are fixed and are not rotatable, so it can provide them sunlight at every angle and can increase their energy output. The components that we used in our project are mirrors, servo motors, LDR sensors, PCB circuit containing ICs, resistors, capacitors and other small components attached on it, and power supply. This is the block diagram of our project. We have used two mirrors and the servo motor 1 is used to rotate mirror 1 and servo motor 2 is used to rotate mirror 2, and we have a PCB circuit with ICs, resistors, capacitors and other components on it, and the servo motors are also attached with the PCB circuit, and power supply is connected with the PCB circuit to provide power to the circuit, so that the circuit will supply power to servo motors and servo motors will rotate mirrors. So that's all about our final year project. Thank you.